Have you ever considered the true meaning of self-sabotage? It isn't simply fearing failure. It's the worry of becoming your fullest self, pouring in every part of your spirit, only for the ground to disappear beneath you. It isn't the lack of confidence in your own power that causes you to refuse progress. The real reason is that once, when you trusted with everything, the roof above seemed to split open and consume all you believed in. You rose from that setback, your hands shaking, the memory of collapse branding a bitter lesson into you. From that moment, superstition crept in. Never give all your trust to something that demands absolute commitment. So, you stopped constructing anew. Instead, you scattered blossoms on the debris and called it comfort. You traced designs into the shattered stone and named it creativity. It feels safer to adorn abandoned ruins than to risk living inside a structure that may betray you again. Listen closely. Those ruins hold no special magic. They only echo what you could not finish. They are not the graveyard of your future. To eternally tend to the wreckage is to confuse your wounds for your entire being. Yes, disappointment is piercing, but it is not final. Real ending comes only when you refuse to rebuild altogether. Even the fragments of a broken roof grant you new glimpses of what lies above. Even failure proves your bravery to reach up was real. Eventually, your desire to be whole will overshadow your dread of falling again. When that longing arrives, you will construct again, not as a naive believer, but as someone fluent in the history of broken timber and fallen stone. You'll fashion a home that honors every scar and dares to rise once more. You are not destined to protect shattered things. You are meant to forge worlds anew.